Welcome here. If you are new, please subscribe. It's free for you, but it helps us so much. If you have already subscribed, thank you for doing that. Uhawe ikaze hano. Niba uri mushya, ndagusabye kola subscribe. Ni ubuntu kuri wowe, ariko biradufasha cyane. Niba wararangije gukora subscribe,
everyone, I'm Faustin. I'm going to describe or to show you how to make a powers and indices. Today we are going to discuss how to demonstrate an example about two powers. By solve x power 2 times x power x is equal to x power 4. Here we are going to find out the value of x. How to find the value of x? You know the law of powers. We may get a power n times a power n or power b. This is equal to a power n plus b. While you have this one, we may write x power, this one we take it to add x. You have 2 plus x, which is equal to this one. You may have x power 4. Now, when you have this one, finding the value of x, you may simplify this one and this one. Finally, we take this and this simplified, and then you have 2 plus x, which is equal to 4. When you have 2 plus x, which is equal to 4, first of all, you may remove this one by making a subtraction. Finally, we take a 2 plus x, then minus x also. This is equal to also 4 minus x. This and this will give us equal to 0 because of positive and negative may get into 0. Here we have 2, which is equal to 4 minus x. We are going to find this x. We may make this reciprocal 4 minus x is equal to 2. Now, by taking this one and then replacing this one by making it commutative, we may make minus x, which is equal to 2 minus 4 minus x is equal to negative 2. By finding only x, we are going to divide both sides negative 1. We have put minus 1 and this one I put minus 1. So we're going to simplify minus 2 minus. This and this is equal to plus. Now, here we have x, which is equal to negative divided by negative will be equal to positive. Finally, you have 2 over 1. X will be equal to 2. This is a simple value. Bye.